Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is Hazel from Handcrafted Expressions. Today, as a design team member for the Robin Nest Creative, I will be designing this lovely canvas into a card where I will be using a 5x7 card base, and the canvas is from the Robin Nest Creative website. It is the bird in motion, and I will be using this lovely dewdrops to design this card. So let's begin. So here I will keep the base aside and I will use the canvas and color it. So to use the color for this, I will be using some blues, some pink and some yellow. Shades of pens, that is the sketch markers, to color the canvas. So here I will take the yellow, that is 44 number, and I'll color some parts of the bird. So here we are done with the card. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Do visit the Robin Nest Creative website for the lovely canvas and the dewdrops. Bye. See you next time.